Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to add a contact on a Vtech cordless phone. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So on your Vtech cordless phone, you have a directory of contacts and you can add contacts into that directory. It's actually really easy to do, and once you've added in the contacts, you can then review your directory and then select someone to dial their number. So instead of memorizing everyone's phone number, you can have your contacts stored in your Vtech cordless phone contact directory. So here's how you add a contact. We're going to start off by, let's just illuminate the screen right here. We're going to start off by pushing the menu select button to bring open the menu. Then directory is selected here, but if it's not selected, you're going to scroll to directory. So I'm going to scroll around till I get to directory again, just so it's clear. These are the scroll buttons right here, up and down. Then you're going to hit menu select to select the directory. And then we have add contact. There's also review, okay? So you can add a contact or you can review your directory. We're gonna choose to add a contact. So when I get to add contact, I'm gonna hit menu select, and that's gonna tell me to enter the number. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna enter the number of my contact. Let's just put, I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of zeros just to make it nice and simple. That's my imaginary contact number. Once you've entered the phone number, you're gonna hit menu select to go to the next screen, which is enter name. Now to enter the name, if you're like old school like me, you'll know how to enter the name using these buttons. But because again, smartphones and modern technology, you can just push the letter. But on here, you have to push each number a certain number of times. So if I wanted to do B, then I would have to push the number 2 twice, right? So it goes A, B, okay? Because A, B. And then if I wanted to do, let's say I wanted to do D, I would push the number 3 once, okay? There's a D. Okay, let's say I wanted to do K, I would push 5 twice, okay? J, K, okay? Let's say I wanted to do Z or Z, depending on how you say it, I would push 9 4 times. So W, X, oh, sorry about that, I didn't push it fast enough. Y, Z, okay? So basically, if you leave it for too long, it's gonna select the letter. Let's say I wanted to do V, I would push A 3 times, just like that. Okay, that's how you enter the name. Okay, I just put whatever, BDKWZV. So BDKWZV. So the person whose name I'm entering is BDKWZV. So once again, BDKWZV. It doesn't even make any sense at all. I'm trying to make sense of it, but it doesn't make any sense. Random letters. So when you're done, you're going to push menu select. And it says saved, and that little tone lets you know that you saved the contact. That's it. So now that contact is in your directory. It's literally that easy. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.